Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be talking about this solar security light. I think I have one of these from Walmart before, and I think I've installed it for maybe about 8 months, and it's pretty decent. I think when I bought it was on sale for $19.99, and now it even got cheaper, $14.97. Regular price is $31.70. It's almost like 50% off. And you can see the review was like 12,003 reviews. Not 12,000, 1,203 reviews. And it's pretty decent, not the best. 4 out of 5 stars. So we're gonna take a look at some of the pictures. That's the solar panel, and that's the light along with the panel. You can place it wherever you want. Just make sure it does get enough sunlight hours. Maybe 5 to 6 hours a day would be good enough, decent. And there's just only a couple screws for you to install, and it's really easy. It's not hard at all. Let's see. That one's gonna. I don't have it in front of me, so I can't really explain. Tells you how to install it, but it's really decent. It's just like one wire from the solar connected to the light itself. Very easy and simple. Okay, so once again, if you need like some kind of like light in your patio, that your garage, your not hallway, driveway, I think this would be cheap enough. And if you can get, I think if you can buy 2 or 3, you can get a free shipping unless you sign up for Walmart, some kind of plus where it's gonna ship it out for free. Or I think you can not sure, sometimes they do provide a ship it to a store and you pick it up for free as well. But again, for $15 with this kind of light, you know, I think it's cheap enough, you know, no big deal. You guys have any questions? Leave the comment below. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.